Here we are going to explore the gated SR latch. This is also called clock-controlled SR latch operation. It is a sequential logic circuit with an enable control. Here is a comparison between the basic SR latch and the gated SR latch. A basic SR latch always responds to the inputs. There is no timing control, and state changes are immediate. On the other hand, a gated SR latch responds only when enabled. It has clock or enable control and controlled state changes. This diagram shows the detailed circuit of a gated SR latch. It consists of 2 AND gates and 2 NOR gates. The inputs are labeled as S, R, and EN, where S is for set, R is for reset, and EN is for enable. The outputs are labeled as Q and Q prime. Let us see the input and output pins in detail. The input pins are S, R, and EN. S is the set input, which makes Q equal to 1. R is the reset input, which makes Q equal to 0. EN is the enable or clock, which controls when the latch responds. The output pins are Q, which is the primary output representing the current state, and Q prime, which is the complementary output representing the inverted state. The enable signal controls the operation of the latch. When EN is equal to 1 or high, the latch is active. The latch responds to S and R inputs, and the output can change based on the inputs. When EN is equal to 0 or low, the latch is disabled. The latch ignores S and R inputs, and the output remains in the previous state. Here is the truth table for a gated SR latch. When EN is 0 and S and R don't care, Q maintains its previous value Q0, and Q prime maintains Q0 prime, indicating no change. When EN is 1, if S and R are 0, Q maintains its previous value Q0, and Q prime maintains Q0 prime, indicating no change. When EN is 1, S is 0, and R is 1, Q becomes 0 and Q prime becomes 1, indicating a reset. When EN is 1, S is 1, and R is 0, Q becomes 1 and Q prime becomes 0, indicating a set. When EN is 1 and both S and R are 1, both Q and Q prime become undefined, resulting in a forbidden state. Let's examine a couple of operation examples, beginning with the set operation. Initially, enable is 1, S is 1, and R is 0. The AND gates pass the inputs to the NOR gates. The result is that Q becomes 1 and Q prime becomes 0, indicating the latch is set. For the reset operation, initially enable is 1, S is 0, and R is 1. The AND gates pass the inputs to the NOR gates. The result is that Q becomes 0 and Q prime becomes 1, indicating that the latch is reset. Finally, let's summarize the applications and key points of the gated SR latch. Applications include memory storage units, CPU registers, control circuits, building blocks for flip-flops, and digital clock systems. Key points include that the enable signal provides timing control, the latch only responds when enable is equal to 1, it maintains its state when disabled, it serves as a foundation for synchronous circuits, and it avoids unwanted state changes. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.